Today, we continue to learn about some fruits we often see around our lives, kids. What fruit is this? Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. Hello, kids. My name is dragon fruit. The skin is pink when ripe. The flesh is white or red. The fruit contains a lot of vitamin C and fiber, helping children digest well and have smooth, bright skin. Eat a lot to keep your body cool and healthy. What fruit is this? Pineapple. Pineapple. Hello, kids. I am pineapple. My skin is green when unripe. When ripe, I become bright yellow. I contain the enzyme bromelain, which is very good for digestion, along with vitamin C to help increase resistance. Kids who eat it regularly will have a healthy digestive system and less stomachache. What fruit is this? Coconut. Coconut. Hello, kids. I am coconut. My shell is green when young and brown when old. I contain a lot of water and minerals, helping kids quench their thirst and replenish their energy after hours of playing. Drink coconut water to keep your body cool and healthy. What fruit is this? Kiwi. Kiwi. Hello, kids. I am kiwi. I have a dark brown skin on the outside, but the inside is green. I contain a lot of vitamin C and antioxidants, which help children have good resistance and beautiful skin. Eat me to stay young and healthy. What fruit is this? Avocado. Avocado. Hello, kids. I am an avocado. When I am young, I am green. When I am ripe, I am also darker green. I contain a lot of healthy fats, vitamins E and C, which help enhance brain development and soft skin. Kids should eat me to develop their brains well. What fruit is this? Grapefruit. Grapefruit. Hello, kids. I am a grapefruit. My skin can be green or yellow. I am rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help children have a healthy immune system and bright skin. Eat me to have a refreshing body after every meal. What fruit is this? Pomegranate. Pomegranate. Hello, kids. I am a pomegranate. My skin is pinkish red or yellow when ripe. I am rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that help protect you from diseases and give you smooth skin. Eat me for good health and to prevent colds. What fruit is this? Raspberry. Raspberry. Hello. I am a raspberry. I am bright red or deep purple when ripe. And I am rich in vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. I help children digest well and increase resistance. Children should eat me often to be healthier. What fruit is this? Plum. Plum. Hi, kids. I am a plum. When I am young, I am green. But when I am ripe, I become deep purple or bright red. I am rich in vitamin C and fiber, which helps prevent constipation and promote digestive health. If you want to have a happy tummy, eat more of it. What fruit is this? Custard apple. Custard apple. Hello, kids. I am a custard apple. My skin is green, but when I am ripe, I am very soft and sweet inside. I contain a lot of vitamin C and B6, which helps kids have a good memory and protects the heart. Kids, eat me to stay smart and healthy. Guys, we have just learned about the fruits commonly found in our lives. They are very good and necessary for our health and development. Please add these fruits regularly. Now, let's review together. What fruit is this? Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. What fruit is this? Pineapple. Pineapple. What fruit is this? Coconut. Coconut. What fruit is this? Kiwi. Kiwi. What fruit is this? Avocado. Avocado. What fruit is this? Grapefruit. Grapefruit. What fruit is this? Pomegranate. Pomegranate. What fruit is this? Raspberry. Raspberry. What fruit is this? Plum. Plum. What fruit is this? Custard apple. Custard apple. Children have learned the names and functions of fruits. They should eat a lot of fruits to have good health and develop their bodies. We will learn more about other fruits in the next part. See you in the next part.